She hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. That she just hit my heart. Oh, that full force and she got me like that. I be like that. Baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine. So hard to find. Baby, like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock them daylight.
Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. You know the drill. Give me some twos in the chat if you guys can hear me, see me clearly. Perfect. Excellent. Appreciate it. What up, Brian? What up, Jazzy J, George, Carl? What's up, Christine? Okay, we have still got 2.5 minutes here. Market looks much, much less appetizing than it did yesterday. So we'll see what happens. We got no news again really during our session today. We don't have anything going on until 3, a yellow folder. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens in terms of direction. Right now we're in a stalemate on the 1. The 5 and 3 are both blue, but the volume is so low. So we could flip. We could go sell side. We'll see. We'll see if she brings in any power here in 2 minutes. Right now it looks pretty meek. Right now it looks pretty meek, and I got people in the waiting room. Hubby's back in the embassy. All right. Hopefully we get some good news today. What's up, Amy? What's up, Jen Jones? We'll see. The market's going to open up here in 5 seconds. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm 1 minute early. I'm like, what's up, Sharif? What's up, Cindy? Where's Bob? You traveling? Oh, okay. All right, now the market's going to open up in 5 seconds. And we'll see if we commit to one way or the other right off the open. All right, we are a minute in here.
Good morning.
Hey, Steph.
How's it going this morning?
Everything's well over here. How are you?
Good.
Excellent. Excellent. You know, just a market open here with low volume on all our time frames. You know, no big deal.
Nothing out of alignment again.
No news today. We'll see what happens here. Trying to turn red on the 1. It's close enough to go either way.
Yeah, it's really just sitting in this range of the same 100 points for the last, what, 2 days?
Is this the same? Yeah, this is the same spot we were in yesterday. Yeah, you're right. Popped out of it to the downside and then went right back into it. What's up, Paula B? What's up, Arnie? We do go sell side daily targets at 780, 780. Is your camping trip this coming up weekend?
Yes, Friday.
Very cool.
Yeah. Camping is way more packing, I think, than any other kind of vacation.
Yeah.
It's got piles of stuff everywhere.
And how far do you have to go? Or how
It's
far
only
are you
an
going?
hour. Yeah, it's only an hour away.
Oh, okay.
No, not bad at all.
Yeah, we did that around here. It was probably like 40 minutes away. This place called Allendale. We went camping there. I guess it was probably closest to fall last year.
Yeah, we go about once a year. My brother and his family go more often than we get out, but so it'll be fun.
A minute 15 away from flipping the 3. Five minutes not far off either. Five-minute didn't flip there, but it could flip on this next 5. 3-minute is less than a minute. And rejecting off a 900. Hard rejection off a 900.
That's a very indecisive candle.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, time's going by kind of slow here. Like that was literally just the first 5 minutes. I thought we were like 15 minutes in already. It's
no.
only 9:35.
5 minutes.
Well, the 3 hung on, and so did the 5-minute. For now, 3-minute just closed, barely. I like a close below 900. Getting out of this ruck it's been in. Been a hard resistance all overnight off of 950.
Yeah, repeatedly.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 8 times.
Mm-hmm.
All night.
Yeah, I would like to see a clean, impulsive push through 900.
Yeah, the 5-minute super trend is sitting at 896, 897. It's sitting right on top of it.
Are you guys early risers and get on the road early, or are you when you go on trips?
No, we have to work.
Okay, so you're not going till Friday afternoon.
No, we're not leaving till the mid-afternoon, so
Oh, okay.
We'll work the morning and then take off. What are you guys up to this weekend? I mean, you had your adventurous trip down the river last weekend. Any other adventures?
No, nothing like that. We got no plans as of right now, which is totally fine. I'm golfing Friday, I know that much. Caden started baseball yesterday.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, he had his first little T-ball not tournament, T-ball practice yesterday.
Those are entertaining to watch.
Oh man. Yes, they are. Not only just the kids, but the parents too. Parent watching. I hear him creeping down the steps. Hi, buddy. Okay, over there. What we got here? 27 seconds. 3-minute might flip. What's up, Jay Silver? We're gonna get this 3 to flip. It looks like we are 5 minutes. Still has a minute to go. That could flip here and close below 900.
Just sitting on that super trend.
Mm-hmm.
Just sitting right on top of it.
We're still got 220 left in this 3-minute candle. 15 seconds left in this 5. We might be completely in alignment here. All right, we are in alignment now. We're below 900. Waiting on this 3-minute to close.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. This is exactly what I was talking about. I don't want to see. It's just again, just holding support. I want to see a clean close. 5-minute was a good close. Still got a minute. Let's see. We can get back below there. Technically, guys, I mean 950 is definitely would be first up if we don't close below 900. I'm not really sure how I feel about it.
I was just looking at that.
But
it's still in alignment, and it's bouncing back and forth between the two. But...
yeah, I mean, it's been 8 times. How many times are they gonna do it before it breaks through that wall?
Right. Especially now that the market's open.
Right. So, either way, I mean, obviously I'll take it, but doesn't mean I have to like it.
I don't know if I'll take it. I'll be honest. Trying to trust my gut a little bit more.
I feel that. I really would like it. This violates this bullish engulfing candle here on the 1 and closes below 900. That'd be a good little reversal, little bullish fake out there at the bottom. Possibly. I love our volume has picked up a lot, much more than it did when we started the session.
Yeah, quite a bit. I want to see it keep increasing. I don't want it to start shifting.
Yeah.
Then I don't like it.
Yeah. So I think I'll give a little more context on like why I say I don't really like this entry. I'll take it. It's kind of how I'm feeling right now. I'll still, because you never know, you can give it a shot. But the reason I don't like it is because it kind of kills the structure that we started off when we opened up, which is straight bearish. So it kind of starts to creep above it, but it does respect, if it comes up here and goes lower low, it will respect the highest point that the market has made here. Along with that, it's been a resistance now for 8 times as we counted already. Looks like more than that, actually. It's been a resistance
I didn't even know all the way back.
right? It's been a resistance quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. So that's, and then I know Amy would probably say, and it's also above the J4 because I know she's been watching that recently of the price being so far above the J4. So I like an expansion to the downside much better because it holds the structure tighter. That doesn't mean that this can't work out. It is an alignment. It could be, you know, you might see this be more of a break even and out type of thing. It might come back up just because if it comes back up here, this could be now used as support as it was there, as it was there, as it was there, resistance spots there. So, just figured I'd give a little more context on that just in case anyone was wondering. That's when it becomes trader's choice. You're going to be robot mode and take it regardless, or you're going to be like Steph said, I'm going to trust my gut on that one and be okay with whatever the result ended up being.
Yeah, if I miss out, I miss out. There'll be more trades. I'd rather see it come down. I mean, the 3-minute HDL line is holding our opening candle.
Yep. So is the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's even cleaner.
Mm-hmm. I love that.
Tapped into that imbalance.
Yep. It beat me to it. And look, we're closing bearish on the 15.
I always like that. Yeah. And we're back below the 15 J4, which I think is always a solid support zone.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to see a lower low here now. So I would like to see it closing, going here, attacking this low, and not really getting any much higher than this high. If it can just go straight down from here with the structure, that'd be great. If it starts climbing, then it'll just climb back up here until then it makes a decision on what it wants to do. Which obviously from a bias perspective, we want to see it going down. So, well, we just sit back and wait, fam, because we haven't closed below anything. Well, we are in alignment for sales, and we're just kind of waiting for something to happen. No news today, so nothing to look forward to from a voter perspective. So that just leaves Trump tweets.
I think the next couple of days as tariff announcements come out too, whatever they may be, will give some move into the market.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a nice little bullet forming there.
Mm-hmm.
I like.
I did not see that incident, George. That's sounds tough. I never pulled a muscle like that. I've done hamstring, but I've heard people like pulling their biceps, pulling their pecs. I never had and that sounds much more severe to me than a hamstring pull. I feel like the worst injury that I ever sustained in football, well, two. One was, I think they called it like a 3rd or 4th degree sprain on my ankle. It's like the doctor was like, it would have been better if you broke it. That's how bad it was.
That's not the news you want to hear.
Yeah, it would have been better. You would have healed faster if you would have just broken it. And I'm like, what? Really? I was in high
Sprains are
school.
terrible.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Yeah, I sprained one of my thumbs playing volleyball. I didn't get my block closed and took a hard ball right between my hands, and it went all the way back. I was in a brace for a while.
Mm.
And I was a setter, so it wasn't helpful. I mean, I was up for a while.
Yeah. You golfed in college, right?
I did. Actually, I played volleyball my freshman year and then switched to golf. Volleyball season was way too long.
Mm.
But I didn't play at Loris. I transferred.
Oh, did you?
So, yeah. I was way out at Buena Vista, all the way across the state.
Mm.
Where again?
Grinnell, Iowa.
Grinnell. That's... Golf was easier. I actually switched to golf. My best friend and I golfed together in high school, and then she played for Luther, and our coaches were friends, and they figured out that we both played better if we were in the same foursome. So we got to play together all through college, just against each other instead of on the same team. It was fun.
Mm. A little friendly competition.
Yeah, exactly.
Bragging rights.
Yeah, we pushed each other quite a bit.
Who was the last one to win the head-to-head?
Probably her. She was always better than I was.
Oh, okay. All right, we're in the bottom 10 here.
Handicap in college. George, I don't remember, to be honest. I don't remember ever keeping track of a handicap.
All right, new 3-minute candle. We're still holding strong in this HDL here. This HDL, this trend flip level here. We're running back below 900 at the moment. Still got 240 left in this candle.
We still have increasing volume. It hasn't shifted on the 3-minute anyways.
Yeah, it's still going down. That's good. We're just not going down yet.
We're not going anywhere.
Pushing back up off 900. Hard support. The more and more it supports off of 900, the less likely I like 950.
Yeah. Especially, I mean, there's wicks on both sides, but it's pushing up now.
other than the volume increasing, we're not far away from this thing just completely rolling over if it wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
Like we could see that flip happen. What's hell? Oh no, nothing's hell. We flipped on all time frame. So yeah, we could probably see that roll over. We'll see. It's gonna bust out of here at some point. We're in consolidation at the moment. An alignment for sales, but in consolidation.
I mean, we've been consolidating in this area in general for quite a while. How far back does that go? Thursday. All the way back to Thursday, we've been in the same range.
Yeah. Where was the original all-time high? Was right here. I'm gonna see something. I should have made that a different color. That's when we took it, was Monday. No, it's higher than that. All right, last 5 minutes of the hour. All right, we're at 25. See if we can hold here and come back down into the top of the hour. Oh, that sounds fun.
That sounds very cool.
Yeah. We also haven't had any. Well, I guess we did on the open. On the 3 minute, we had a bearish imbalance, and on the 5, but on the 1, we haven't had anything. Just 2 bullish imbalances here. There's a good push. Let's see if that continues. There she goes, waking up a little bit. We got 2:30 left in this candle.
Touched 925 right on the dot.
Mm-hmm.
And came down.
Let's see what she does at 900 again. Back down here.
See if it holds.
Minute and a half left. This is a really nice candle. If this can close bearish engulfing and below 900.
Not a very big fib, but it did come back up to the 618.
Okay.
And then push down. So that puts us down to 855 for the extension. So I like it.
All right, we got 1 minute to go, guys. We're below 900. Let's see if we can close it. There's that first imbalance. So. 43 seconds to go. We're still below it. Oh, come on. Looks like we're going to definitely close. All right, I'm putting in a sell limit at 22,900. See if we can get this to come back for us. Don't go 10 o'clock drop on us just yet.
See if it'll come up off of 875 and tap us in.
Yeah.
There's a lot of support there too.
Oh, come on. Get all the way up there. Yep. I'm waiting on it to get hit right now, Jimmy. Sell limit at 900. One more bullish candle up. Tap us in, and then a big bearish engulfing candle down. No, you're doing this one candle too early. Not now.
We need one more push up.
One more push up, then a bearish engulfing down.
See if we can get one more push up before it goes down. Hopefully some of the structure will hold it for a little bit.
Oh, you playing around.
Yeah, that missed by 1.5 points.
Just playing, wicking back and forth. She hasn't gone anywhere yet.
That was rude.
That was rude. Ain't not point. We didn't even really tap into that imbalance yet. Come on, get up there. That was rude. 8.99.
Are you on? You're on the 1 minute chart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tap into the imbalance on the 3 minute.
Oh yeah, sure did. Mm-hmm. Still stand above 870. Yep, stand above 875. Another bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing on the 3. 5 might become one as well. Daily target 780. 22,780. I still got 900 set. I'm not going to chase this thing. Close below previous all-time high.
There's a lot of support and resistance right at like 866, right where it touched. Nice, Ken. No, nothing yet. I did the last, so far I did July because that's what I could get to for a while until I sent you a message. But I didn't get a chance to go any further back. At least not last night.
I think you got one more push up to touch us in up there. We're currently flat. J4 is approaching 900 on the one. Previous all-time highs is being used as support right now. We're gonna get a touch here at 900.
Yeah, if I just put a fib up on the 15-minute chart, and that puts 900 right on the 382 retracement.
We'll kind of keep putting in flags here.
Yep. It's like a slow march down.
stuck in emotions, pushing all the buttons and hoping it turns out right. Always pretending I know best, and I'm in control, but I don't know about this time, not this time. Boy, you're playing my heart like an arcade video game, like a past to win. Oh yeah, you're playing my love like an arcade video game, going insane. Going insane.
Jimmy, I was on the 15-minute chart, and I ran it from the top at the 8 o'clock candle to the bottom of the current candle. And if you do that, the 382 lands right on the 900.
Got a doji close here on the 15.
Mm-hmm.
Either
The volume.
rally base rally or drop base drop, or it's trying to reverse.
Yeah. Even the volume on the 15 is trying to flip red.
Mm-hmm.
We can just get tapped in first would be nice.
Yeah, ride this wave down. Still got room left on that first fib extension to get to 50. And the second one.
If you're using the, like even on the 15, but the one I put on here, the extension goes to 831.
Okay.
If it touches if it takes the 900 and comes down.
Yeah. That is, yep, 830 is what I would have here if it touches the 618 on this last drop. But yeah, same. And then the daily target is 780. All right, we came up here again. Let's see if we get tagged.
Don't just touch the J4 and go.
I know, right?
That's what's sitting there.
playing games here.
Yeah, we're back above 875 too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I really don't want to see it starting to wake support off of this area. We had the support here the first 5 minutes of the 10 o'clock. Then we dropped through it and we had resistance, and now we pushed above it.
Now it's using it again.
Yeah, I'd rather see it just run through it. Or come up and take us and drop us through it from there.
Well, there's some good news in the. I was just looking for tariff news. TSA no longer requires you to take your shoes off.
Market's gonna skyrocket now.
Exactly. It's kind of exciting. Otherwise, there's not much else in there.
Yeah, that's a good push off. I don't even know what time I have this ORH set, or the opening range set to. Oh, the first 15 minutes. $8.75 as being the support. I think the 3-minute J4s just got there. Oh no, not yet. I feel like we've had more volume today, but less action. Less volume yesterday, more action. Thinking about taking 8.75 if we close below it.
there's a lot of structure there.
We've been using it so much, so support on the 5. And we'll see. Like to see if it could be used as resistance to push us down to 850. It's 33 seconds left here in the 5-minute candle. Yeah, there we go. We'll come back up to 875. I'm gonna get in there.
I just moved my limits down too.
I'm good with it because we closed below it on the 5-minute. So I know we haven't closed below it on the 3, but seems like the market's waking up. We might be looking at 850 though.
Yeah, at this point too, if it comes all the way back up to 900, it'll break that trend line on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
So
I got my sell limit set at 875, guys. Steph does as well. All right, we closed below it on the 3-minute as well, so looking for 875 to be a resistance for us. And get back up there. Oh, come on.
Gonna miss us by a point again.
You're freaking serious right now. It's the previous all-time high, the original all-time high. Come on, get up there. All right, I'm in.
Now I'm in. Mine didn't take it the first time. I mean, it's slow moving today, but the volume is still steadily increasing. I mean, the 1 minute's waving, which is expected with what it's doing.
All right, we're in this trade. Now it wants to release all the resistance. I'm re-entering at 900 if I get taken out of here. I'm still in it right now. I'm back in.
Yep, I'm out and in. I had limits set.
Need to see some resistance from this spot or this thing's gonna blow through.
Yeah.
Strong push off of 850.
Yeah, the J4's on the 5 minute sitting at 9:15 too.
All right, well, strong 15-minute candle here. Still in, did wick up there, but I'm still in by, I guess, the hair here.
I got wicked out. I'm out
It's
on
super
everything.
bullish, so it's probably gonna take me out too, but I am still in as of right now. Left a quarter on the table for me. So bullish, I'm sure it's gonna pick me up. Yep, I'm out now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm done today too, Jimmy.
Same.
That's it.
That was a really big bullish move off the 850 area there. Very strong there. All right, family. Well, that's 0-2. We took an entry at 875. Didn't work out. Another entry at 900. Didn't work out either. So done for the day. Georgia's still in. Nice. Well, hopefully 925 is as high as she wants to go there for you.
You must have a good entry.
This looks like it wants to roll. All right, family. Tomorrow we are not live. I think I said we're live tomorrow. We are not live tomorrow. It is FOMC meeting minute, so I'm gonna skip the morning or skip the day. We do have news in the morning, so I know there's gonna be a handful of you guys that are gonna trade. So do your thing. Thursday we're back, and Friday we'll see how Thursday goes. I don't really like that we don't have any news during the morning session, so we do have news tomorrow morning. So if you want to take a flyer on tomorrow, do your thing there. All right, I won't see you guys again until Thursday. And yeah, have an amazing couple of days. Thanks for hopping on, Steph. Always good to hear your voice. I know the crowd enjoys it.
Well, good. All my random news facts and all the good stuff.
Yeah. Are you gonna be on? You back on Thursday with us?
I will let you know. I might have to cover at the office.
Yeah.
If not, I will be. If I do, I will be probably just trading on my own.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'll talk to you later. You guys have an amazing couple of days. See you guys on Thursday. Peace out for now.
Bye, guys. Have a great day.